first thing I want to show you in this video is one and only Jimmy. This is Maggie Delabird's creation of a Rubik's snake. Don't need the Rubik's snake when you could just make Jimmy, the dog. And if I go over here to the bar to the darts board is quite nice. This is the map they've got. That's the darts board. Zoom in here. That's the darts board. Got some scores on there. I'm not be able to see it. And we go over here, zoom out. We're just gonna zoom out. Go over here. Here is the pool table. Got some lines. Okay, I'm gonna give you some music here, so enjoy. And here, guys, is the trophies. And I will show you. Do you want to see something? This is my dad. You see that? It says Emperor. That's my dad. My name's Harry. And then we got the game board. Got a big picture of the rules of the triangle, the league way playing. Got the rules stuff. Got the district pool league, single championship. My dad's in the lead at the moment. I was last year. And walk into the main pub, so you can hear some music playing here. Got Ellie, just say hello to the camera again. Oh yeah, there's a dart trophy here. Read it. So, all of this to do with darts. Got some more darts trophies. Got their fire. Can't really see it very well because it's very dark over here. And there's the, like it says on that sign there, gents bathroom. Got Rachel. There's the pub. There's the worker, and there's Maggie Delabird. They're on the DS. They're recording the video as well at the moment. I'll leave them alone. Here's their computer. This is what they record some things on. I haven't done a video in my house yet. I don't know why. That will be a surprise. Here's my drink down here, Coke. And don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe. Share the video if you can. And hope you enjoy the rest of my videos. The only thing I can say now is peace out. Popcorn.